Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 19th, 2024. And we have three regular puzzles. One of the puzzle I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the JigSaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these two regular puzzles. News of today, well, there's a huge mass graves discovered in Syria. Hundreds of thousands bodies are buried there. Yeah, under the regime of Assad, the former president of Syria. Well. This one will be number 9772. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. I cannot believe this. For 4 stars, usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars puzzle or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. And look, we have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 in the 3rd row. No 7 there. So the only place left with 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and look, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the 2nd row, no 4 there. The only place left with 4 should be here. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 9 here. And then the 2 there. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are numbers 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So what is the other number in this row? The missing number here should be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 5, 5, and the 5 there. 6, 6, 6. 3, 3 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. Well, here can be 4. Could be a 4 here. 4, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 4, 4. Need a 2 there. Need a 7 there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left with 7. Should be there. 2, 3. 2, 3. Well, in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 3 boxes. We have 2 here, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the 3 could be everywhere. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 3 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. Need a 1. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. 8, 3, need a 9. Come on, come on, come on. 7 and 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 7, 7, 7 here. And the 7 there. 1, 6, 4, 2. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. I believe we have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 2. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level the 4 should be there. And we have a pair in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and a 7 in the first column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. We have a 4 and a 7 in the third column, so no 4 and a 7 in that box. So 2 boxes are left for the 4 and the 7. Goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then, need a 6 there. Need a 8 there. Need a 4 there. And a 5 here. 2, 4. Come on, come on. How about the 4? Do we have all the 4s? Nope. How about the 7s then? Do we have all the 7s? Nope. Need a 7 here. How about the 5s? 5, 5, need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. No, 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 no. 1, 1, 1, 1, 9, 7, 4. I need one number. I need one number. 2, 5. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 1 here. Okay, in this column we have 3 missing numbers. In the third column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this row. No 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 here. 5 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need it. 3, need a 3, 8, and 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place level 6 should be there. You need a 6 here, you need a 6 there. 8 and a 3, 8 and a 3, 8 and 3. So 2 missing numbers in this middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So here we have a pair, 3 and 8. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Need a 9 there. And I need a, yeah. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the only place left 1 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and 8 are left. Here also 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 8 are left. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 on 8. We have a 3 now. So this box should be an 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. So we need a 9 here. Okay, 1, 8, and need a 5. 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. Here we have the 3 and 8. We have a 3 now, so this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only place level 8 should be there. 3 and a 7. We already have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Come on. About the 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 5 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left here, the 9 and the 5. 9 and a 5, okay. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. Oh, complicated. 1 and an 8, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 now in this big square, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the first row for number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. And the last 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well, not quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, not the 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not a 4, not a 2. Yeah. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so I'm not pleased with the time. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.